Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today on 17th of August 2025, our cow has been rehomed for the second day. It means we brought it yesterday on 16th. So it is already getting accustomed to the new home. Yes, as I told you, our IFA, it is an calf, and it is having pregnancy of 5 months so far. We are remaining with the 4 months to begin getting our milk. So where you are seeing it, that is a resting area. As you are seeing, it is chewing cud. It has just eaten our food. Food is just over here. Let me show you. These are the cubicles for the feeding area. As you can see, we are giving it a mixed ration. This is a coriander. Then this is a silage. Silage mixed with Chloris Guyana, as you can see, plus fresh fodder of Napier, plus some maize bran, as you can see, the white ones, those are maize bran mixed. So we are trying to give our animal a complete ration. We need to give a balanced diet. Chloris Guyana and Napier, those one provide energy to our cow. Over here, we have got a mineral block to provide some minerals, iodine, calcium, phosphorus, and we require the vitamins. This is for water. This is water area. That's how we are managing with our cow over here. Okay, thank you so much.